Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a faceless YouTube channel, which is also known as a YouTube automation channel. And we are going to use AI to create our channel. It's super easy. Please watch till the end to see how the channel turns out. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. So let's go ahead to our first AI tool, which is ChatGPT, and we will ask ChatGPT to give us the best profitable niches for YouTube. Here is the main page of ChatGPT. Here we will ask it to give us the niches which will help us to get ton of views and will help us to get more subscribers. Here I wrote, give me 30 best profitable niches for YouTube in 2023. Click on continue. As you can see, ChatGPT is giving us 30 niches which are popular, which will help us to get more views in our YouTube channel. But as you can see, they said up till 2023 they can't give accurate data, but still the niches that are provided for us, they are still popular up till now. So it's not big of a difference, but you can choose any of the niches from above. For example, there are technologies, health and wellness, personal finance, etc. Since everybody always wants to be in a good shape, I'm going to choose health and fitness. Now, since we chose our niche, we have to choose our channel name. Now we are going to ask ChatGPT to give us an attractive channel name for our niche that we just chose. Give me a attractive channel name for health and wellness or fitness, if you just want to be specific. You can see they are giving us ton of options, ton of names. And still, if you don't like it, you can just always click on regenerate. It's not a big deal. But as you can see, they gave us a lot of names. Now we are just going to choose one of the names from above. For example, I like this one, Wellness Warrior. It's a good name. Now we have our niche, we have our name. Now it's time to create a logo for our channel. Now we are going to use Canva to create our logo. There are tons of AI tools, but I recommend you to create from Canva because they have more options and it is much more customizable than any other website out there. And it's free, it's completely free. So we are just going to click on logo right here. As you can see. And they gave us hundreds of templates for our starting. If you want to be more specific, you can always write here fitness. Since we chose fitness, it gave us a ton of templates, and you can always customize it to your own liking. For example, I'll choose the first one or the second one. The first one. We are going to change the name, Wellness Warrior, which is our channel name that we just chose. You can always customize it to your own liking. You can change the slogan if you want. Mentor for your fitness. For example, this is our slogan. If you want, you can add more text, you can add more color to it. It's not a big deal. It's not that difficult either. You can always choose to your own liking. Now, this is alright, done. This is our logo for now. Or you can always choose another one if you want. They have more templates this one, or this one. But for now, this is better for a starting channel. Click on download. Done. Our logo is created. Now we have to create a banner for our YouTube channel. Same, we can use Canva for it. You can check other videos from my channel as well. I taught how to create YouTube banners from Canva. It's super easy. Just write banner, YouTube banner if you want to be more specific. YouTube banner. As you can see, the first option. You can do the same. Fitness. For example, this one. Or another one if you want. With this one. Subscribe is perfect. You can always customize it. Alright. You can always add more elements to it. You can always customize it. Alright, done. So this is our banner for our YouTube channel. Now, one of the crucial steps is to create a channel. Now, we will go ahead to YouTube, to Google accounts. We will choose our channel name that we just chose. Click on create. As you can see, our channel has been created. Now we have to customize it to the best, of course. We'll go here to our channel, basic info. As you can see, we have a lot to do. We have to be on YouTube. We have to customize it. As you can see, our channel has been created. We have to customize it. It will redirect us to YouTube Studio. We have to click on continue. We have to upload our logo from here. See. Done. Our banner right here. Wellness Warrior, and we have to click on publish. It will be updated automatically. Now if you want, you can view the channel. It will be updated in a minute. Now we have to customize it again to add our description, and we are going to use ChatGPT for our basic infos. For example, for the description of the channel, we will use ChatGPT. Give me a YouTube channel description. We will have to be specific. For health and fitness. You can always change the text. You can always customize it. For example, we'll just copy, paste it here. We have to make some few little changes from here. For example, this is our channel name. We have to replace our channel name. Okay, As you can see, we customized it. We customized our description. Click on publish, and our description has been added. Now we go to our dashboard. We go to your channel to see if all the things have been updated. As you can see, everything has been updated: the banner, the logo, even the descriptions. So everything has been updated. The only thing left is to make our videos. You can check out my video on how to create unlimited YouTube shorts. It's also part of YouTube automation, so use that method to create unlimited YouTube shorts and start getting more views. I hope this video has helped you in creating your own YouTube automation channel, and thank you for watching.